Hey again. In this video I want to discuss three opposing goals that discussed by How to Break Web Software book that written by Mike and James. So the three opposing goals is the reliability, performance and usability. So let's get started or talk in details about everyone. Reliability mean we make the code, the developer need to write more code. The developer will handle more error in more details. So that is mean more code will be written. More code will be written. There is more possibility of having more bugs. But this is not the real things that we are worried from. The real thing that we worry from is catching more errors. It will be, when the developer tries to catch more errors, it will be very hard for the tester to find all these caches in the test times. That give opportunity for the hacker to try to find all possible errors that our system catch and try to get more information about our system. And this is so bad. We should not allow the hacker to know a lot about our system. We should most of the time we try to hide or system details from the hacker so he will not get benefit from. So you have to balance this when you try to make your code reliable. Make sure when you handle the test or when you handle the errors in such a way it could be tested. The second one is the performance. When we try to make our server fast, we try to push more code or more functions in the server side, in the client side, and keep the server with a few functions. Why? Because all the processing will happen in the client side. When he sent only one request, for example, we try give him data and he try to process it. For example, mathematical calculation, we do it in the JavaScript side. Instead, we do it in the server side. So we make the communication fast. But pushing more code in the client side, that means we give a more opportunity for attacker to find holes in our system. So we know the client side code is easily could be viewed by the attacker. You could easily look through the HTML or CSS or JavaScript code in the browser by just clicking a view source. So we don't want to allow to attacker to see like what we do or how we communicate. Oh, there is some communication we don't care about, but there is some type of communication we really care about. So when you think about performance, we think of pushing the more code in the client side. Think about this point. The third one is the usability. Usability means you provide more information for the user who use our system to make the system as easy as possible. But we have to remember, giving more information to hacker, giving more information about the system will give more helpful information to the attacker. So we need to balance between usability and what's the information we want to share and what's the information we should not share. For example, we should not, when someone sends us a request, we should not say, hey, when someone tries to log in with the username and password wrong, or username correct and the password is wrong, we should not say them back, hey, the username is correct but the password is wrong. This is so bad because if the attacker could say, okay, I have correct username, I will try only change the password. So we reduce the possibilities. So this is you have to think about. When you think about usability, you should think about how hackers could play around this game. So this is the three opposing goals. Always remember: the reliability, performance, and usability. Thanks for watching and see you next.